Looking to remove fingerprints, smudges, and other messy buildup on windows? The 300CS can do this and much more. To dramatize the window cleaning capabilities of the 300CS, we have applied ketchup to the glass. Attaching the window squeegee is easy, just like every Daimer attachment. Notice the powerful steam flow with this tool. The 300CS makes quick work of cleaning pesky smudges and residue that would have taken much more time to remove using manual cleaning methods. A sparkling clean window was behind that mess after all. In addition to the glass surface of the windowsill is one area in the home that attracts a large amount of dirt and other buildup, due to its proximity to the outdoors. But with the steam cleaning power of the 300CS, even the heaviest windowsill buildup can be removed.